Homonyms. What is homonyms? Homonyms are words that have the same spelling, the same pronunciations, but different meaning. I repeat, homonyms are words that have the same spelling, the same pronunciation, but different meaning. Example, bank. Bank is a financial institution, and bank also means a side of a river. Number 2, bat. Bat is a flying animal, and bat is also a sport equipment. Number 3, bark. Bark is a sound of a dog, and bark is also the outer part of a tree. The next one, light. Light is illumination, and light is also something not heavy. The next one, match. Match is a stick for making fire, and match is also a sport contest. The next one, ring. Ring is a jewelry, and ring is a sound from a bell or phone. The next one, watch. Watch is to look at, and watch is what? A device for telling time. Wave. Wave is movement of a water, and wave is also what? The movement of a hand. Then, well. Well means to be in good health, and well is also a hole for obtaining water. Fly. Fly is an insect, and fly is also moving through the air. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow this account for more. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.